Hello, this is Ria from FitX Gym. I am the AI receptionist. How may I help you today?
Hi, Ria. I want to book an appointment.
Sure, I can help with that. May I have your name?
My name is Sam.
Thanks, Sam. Could I have your phone number, please?
So my phone number is 76358
Got it. And your email, please?
My email is arup3032@gmail.com.
Perfect. Thanks, Sam. What date and time works best for your free 30-minute trial?
When are you free on Tuesday? This Tuesday.
Sure, let me quickly check what slots we have available this Tuesday. Here are the available slots this Tuesday, 9 o'clock, 11 a.m., 11:30 a.m., 12 p.m., and 12:35 p.m. What time works for you?
So 9 a.m. is fine for me.
Great. I'll book you for Tuesday at 9 a.m. You're all set, Sam. I've scheduled your free 30-minute trial for Tuesday at 9 a.m. We look forward to seeing you.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. See you on Tuesday at 9 a.m. Have a great day.
Okay, bye. So today in this video, we will be discussing how you can set your own AI voice agent using Retell AI and Cal.com. So Retell AI is a tool where you can build AI voice agent. So it is a beginner friendly. You don't have to know any coding to build it. Okay. Similarly, Cal.com is a platform which is used to book events in calendar. So this is how the flow will look like. So first we will have a customer who will speak to an AI voice agent. So based on the natural conversation, whatever they discuss, if the customer requests to book a meeting, then the AI voice agent will check calendar. Okay, and then if the availability is there, it will book an appointment based on the requirement of the customer. All right, and this will be done with the help of Retell AI and Cal.com. So Retell and Cal, they have internal integrations, so it can check availability real time and it can also book an appointment real time. Everything is live. So everything will be discussed in details in this video. Okay, so first, if you don't have an account in Retell AI, you will have to set up an account in Retell AI, and similarly, you will have to set up an account in Cal.com. Okay, so if you want to create an account in Retell AI, just go to Google, type Retell AI. This is the first link that you will see. Just click on this and this will pop up. So if you already have an account, you can simply click on login, and if you don't have an account, you can sign up. For that, you will have to click here. Okay, so since I already have an account, I will click on login, and similarly you have to create an account in cal.com. Okay, just type in Google cal.com. This is the first link that you will see. Just click here. Similarly, if you don't have an account, you have to create an account. So for me, I already have an account. I will click on go to app. Okay, so now if you come to Retell AI, this is how the dashboard will look like. So these are the other agents that I have created already, but for you it will be blank. So you have to click here, click an agent. So if I click here, we will have two options. So one is voice agent, one is chat agent. Okay, so since we are focusing only on voice agent, we will click here. So now we have multiple options. So we will select single prompt agent because this is the most simplest one. Then we will select start from blank and we will click on create. So now once we click on create, this is the dashboard that will pop up. So on the left hand side here, we will have to mention the prompt. So prompt is the most important thing for any voice agent that we create. Okay, because this is where it will have the power and capacity to think how it should act. All right, then you can select the model whichever you want to use. So every model has their own price points. Okay, you have OpenAI, you have Claude, you have Google Gemini as well. Okay, for this video we will be selecting GPT-5. Okay, so based on your requirement, you can select whatever you want. So here we have multiple voice. Okay, whatever voice you want, you can select it based on your requirement. So let us test a few voice. Let's see how this works.
Hello, I'm Jenny, your personal AI assistant, here to help you manage your tasks and boost your productivity effortlessly.
Hello, I'm Julia. What's on your mind that you want to talk about today?
I think this sounds better, so we will use this for our use case. Okay, so now from here I will be selecting English for India. So for this use case, we will be taking an example of a gym receptionist. So what we will do, we will be creating a voice agent who will take customer inquiries, and mainly it will focus to book them for a free trial. Okay, this is what it will focus on. So here are the 5 important parameters that we have to mention whenever we give a prompt to an AI voice agent. Okay, so first we have identity. It means we will tell who the AI is. Next we have style and boundary. It means how it should talk plus what it should avoid. Then we have response guidance. Okay, it means how it should answer to the questions of the user. Then it has task and goals. It means what it must achieve. For our use case, it will be focusing to book an appointment with the customer. So next we have examples. It is also very important prompt that we will have to feed to our AI voice agent so that it understand what to reply. And the last one is the time function. So Retell AI has an inbuilt function where it can automatically fetch the time. Okay, but to match the time zone, we will be using this function. Since I'm from India, I'll be using this function. So based on your time zone, you can change this one. Okay, so now let's come to ChatGPT and build our prompt. So just come to ChatGPT and mention we want to build an AI voice agent. It will be a gym receptionist. It will answer all the basic question a customer or user has, but its main goal should be to focus on booking a free trial for 30-minute session in the gym. It should consist all these parameters. So now we will be copying the parameters from here. These are the key factors that the prompt should have. Okay, so now just copy this and we'll paste it here, and then we will write, now I want a prompt which I can put in Retell AI voice agent. So ask me all the possible questions for you to give me the best prompt. Okay, so I'm taking help from ChatGPT to write my own prompt, which I will later feed it in Retell AI, so it will save a lot of time for me. Okay, so just click on enter and boom, you will see all the questions here. So what we will do, we will have to answer all these questions. So for us to answer, you can simply copy this and then we will paste it here. Okay, so now here are all the questions. We will have to answer all these questions one by one so that we have the best possible prompt. Okay, so now first we have identity. So who the AI is, we have to mention. What's the agent's name? So let's say it's the agent's name is Ria from FitX Gym. Next we have, what is your gym's name? Yeah, we have already mentioned. It is FitX Gym. Should the AI sound male, female, or neutral? It is a female. Do you want the AI to say it's an AI receptionist or sound fully human? It should say her name and then mention she is an AI receptionist. Or yeah, it's fine. Next we have styles and boundaries. How it should talk. Should the tone be friendly and casual, professional and polite, energetic and motivating? So let's say we select it professional and polite. Just copy this and paste it here. Next question we have, are there specific words or phrases to always use? Example, free trial session, certified trainers, state of the art equipment. So not necessary. Use it whatever you feel best. Any topics it should avoid, example, giving medical advice, discussing membership prices, I will not want the AI voice agent to discuss all this. If anyone asks for this, then ask them to connect to a human. Next, response guidance. It means how to answer. Should it answer FAQs like gym timings, location, parking facilities? Yes, but its main goal is to book appointments. Next, we have if a customer asks about price, should it give an exact answer or guide them to visit for details? Guide them to visit for details. Then, should it handle objections like I'm busy or I'll think about it by gently steering back to booking a free trial? So, here, try to answer all the basic question and then focus on booking the appointment. Do you want it to collect user information like name, phone number before booking? Yes, it should collect it. Next, we have tasks and goal, what it must achieve. Is the main goal only booking a free trial or promoting memberships? It should focus only on free trial for 30 minutes. Should it confirm the date and time of trial session? Yes. So first it should ask which time and date is convenient. Based on that, it can book the appointment. Next, should it send a booking confirmation? No, because cal.com already has a feature where automatically email gets sent to the customer. So next we have examples. So depending on your business use case, you can use any example that you want your AI to respond. Just for this video to make it short, so here I will type use any example which you think is right as per the industry norm. Next, should this example include objection handling? Example I'll join later. Yes, a few. So now we have answered all the questions. Okay, so now we will type, now give me the best possible prompt in copy paste format so that I can feed it to Retell AI. Act like you are the world's number one prompt engineer for AI voice agent. Also note that it should be in a format so that the LLM can understand it better. The LLM should not get confused. For the current time, it should use this function. Now we will have to mention this function here. Just paste it here. Okay, so now click on enter and it will give me the best possible prompt, and it will act like the world's number one prompt engineer for AI voice agent. So this is how we have to mention in order to get the best prompt. So let me click on enter and see the magic. I've clicked on enter and now you will see the magic. So it has given me the best prompt in a best possible format, and we will simply have to copy this and paste it there. But before that, let us try to read and see what it has mentioned. You are Ria, the AI receptionist for FitX Gym. When you speak with users, always introduce yourself as hello, this is Ria from FitX Gym. I am the AI receptionist. How may I help you today? So it has identity, it has styles and boundaries, it has response guidance, it has tasks and goals, it has examples. Okay, so now we will simply copy paste this and we will fade it there. Okay, so just click on copy here, then come to Retell AI, just paste it here. Okay, so I have pasted it and just click on save. Okay, so next we have welcome message. So in welcome message we have few options here. We can see user speaks first and then AI speaks first. So if you select user speaks first, then the user has to speak only, then it will respond. And then if you select AI speaks first, it means the AI will speak upfront from their end. So for this video I'm selecting AI speaks first. Okay, let me select this. Then we have dynamic message or custom message. Okay, so dynamic message is something where it will automatically save from their end, and custom message is something where I will write it from my end. Okay, so this is the custom message and we will make small changes here. Hello, how can I help you today? So we'll copy this from here. Hello, this is Ria from FitX Gym. I am an AI receptionist. How can I help you today? We will paste it here. Done. Okay, so now our prompt part is done. So let's say mention here FitX Gym 2. Okay, so our basic part is done here for the Retell AI. Now we will be creating an event in our cal.com account. So just open cal.com. Okay, click on go to app. So these are the old events that I have created before. So now in order to create a fresh new, I'll be clicking on new, and this is what I will see. I'll have to mention a title, FitX Gym. This is the URL, and then the duration here I will select a 30 minutes meeting. We'll click on continue. Okay, so now when it comes to the availability, you can click here on availability and you can change it based on your requirement. Okay, so here we have the time zone Asia, Kolkata. Okay, so now we will have to connect this voice agent with the event that we have set up recently in cal.com. Okay, so for that we will use function here. So in function, just click on add, and then we have two functions here. One is for check calendar availability and the second one is for book on the calendar. So first we'll be using this one to check calendar availability. Just click here. Okay, so after clicking here, this is something we will see. When user ask for availability, check the calendar and provide available slots. Okay, but we have not connected with cal.com. For us to connect, we will have to enter the API key of cal.com, and then we will have to mention the event type ID of cal.com. Okay, so we will come to our event dashboard in cal.com, and this number is the event ID. Okay, so just copy this and come to Retell AI and paste it here, and then we have to copy the API key. So for API key, just click on settings on the left hand side and then click on API keys and then click on add. Here we will write FitX Gym, and then here let us select 7 days. After 7 days, this API key will automatically get expired. Then we'll click on save, and this is our API key. I'll just copy this from here and I will paste it here. So now we will have to mention the time zone here. So by default it is coming American Los Angeles. We will have to change it based on cal.com. So here open cal.com, open the event here. So this is the event. Just click on availability. Okay, here this is our time zone. Just copy this from here and you can come here and you can paste it here. Okay, click on save. So now our AI voice agent has the capacity to check any availability in our calendar, but it doesn't have any power right now to book an appointment. So in order to book an appointment, we will have to add another function. So the next function that we will be adding is book on the calendar. Okay, so this function will help this AI voice agent to book the appointment directly. So just click here, and similarly you can see here, when user asks to book an appointment, book it on the calendar. So since we have already mentioned our API key here, so we'll just copy the API key from here and we'll paste it for the booking function. So we'll paste the API key here, and for event ID we will copy from here again this number, we'll paste it here, and the time zone. So for the time zone, we'll again come here and copy it and we will paste it here. So yeah, it is done. Now we will be testing our agent. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Just click on test.
Hello, this is Ria from FitX Gym. I am the AI receptionist. How may I help you today?
Hi Ria, can you help me book an appointment?
Hello, this is Ria from FitX Gym. I am the AI receptionist. I'd be happy to help you book a free 30-minute trial session. To get started, may I have your name, phone number, and email? Once I have those, what date and time would you prefer for the trial?
So now we have seen there is a small problem. It is not responding like a real human. Okay, so because it is telling me Ria again and again, so we will make a small changes in the prompt. So for us to make a change in the prompt, just go to ChatGPT again. So now we will make a small change in the prompt. So this is how it is responding. Mention here, this is how it is responding now. It does not sound like a real person. So it is mentioning her name again and again. I don't want it to mention her name again and again. So rewrite the prompt again. So yeah, it will fix the issue that I was facing because it was saying Ria again and again. So this has given me a better prompt. So we'll copy this prompt again. Just copy this and then we will come here, we will paste it here. We'll click on save and then let us try again.
Hello, this is Ria from FitX Gym. I am the AI receptionist. How may I help you today?
Hi Ria, nice to meet you. So can you tell me what services are you offering?
Nice to meet you too. We offer fully equipped strength and cardio area functional training zone and free weights group classes like HIIT, yoga, and spin certified personal trainers. Locker rooms with showers, towel and water refill stations, basic nutrition guidance and fitness assessments. If you'd like, I can set up a free 30-minute trial so you can experience everything firsthand. Would you like to book one?
So now I can see the reply here was still not like a human. It was giving me a long description. I do not want this. Okay, so I'll come here again and I'll paste it here and I'll mention that I am not liking the way it is answering. It is too lengthy. The answer should be to the point and crisp. It should sound like a human is speaking. It should not give any point wise answers. So give me the prompt again. So this is how you can fine tune your voice agent, because your voice agent will not be the perfect one in your very first prompt. You'll have to keep on changing the prompt in order for you to get it acted the way you want. Okay, so now it has given me another prompt. I'll copy this so you can read this. So in this video I'm not wasting our time to read everything here, but it is important for you to read each and every line of the prompt so that you can understand what is going on. So now let us come here and paste it here. Click on save, click on test.
Hello, this is Ria from FedEx Gym. I am the AI receptionist. How may I help you today?
Hi Ria, can you help me book an appointment?
Absolutely, I can help with that. May I have your name, please?
My name is Sam.
Thanks, Sam. Could I have your phone number?
So my phone number is 76358 06306.
Got it, thanks. Just to confirm, is your number 763-580-6306? And could I have your email, please?
Yes, the phone number is correct, and my email is arup3032@gmail.com.
Thanks, Sam. Just to confirm, is your email arup3032@gmail.com?
Yes,
Also,
it
what
is.
date and time works best for your free 30-minute trial?
So when can I come tomorrow?
Sure, let me quickly check our available slots for tomorrow. Thanks for waiting. Tomorrow we have 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. What time works best for you?
Can you do it 9 a.m. tomorrow?
Great. Booking you for tomorrow at 9 a.m. All set. I've scheduled your free 30-minute trial for tomorrow at 9 a.m. under Sam with confirmation sent to airup3032@gmail.com. We look forward to seeing you. Anything else I can help you with?
No, nothing else. Thank you so much. Bye.
You're welcome. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Okay, bye. So now an automated email has also been sent. Okay, so you can see. So Arup is one of my friend. So he also has received an email, and I also have received an email. So both the organizer and the participant will receive an email. Okay. So this is how you can build your own AI voice agent that will book appointments 24/7. And yes, it will not ask for any break or any leave or any vacation.